Hey everyone, and thank you so much for watching today's video. In this video, I'm gonna show you this soft pastel everyday eye makeup look using no fake lashes. I wanted to keep this eye look really simple so you can all recreate this makeup look. Now before I go in with any eyeshadow, I first always prime the eyelids, and I'm using my favorite primer, which is by MAC Cosmetics. It's their paint pot in the color Soft Ochre. I've been using this for years and years and I just really love it, so that's why I always continue to use it. Then I went in with some brow gel because I realized I forgot to use it, and then I went in with a eye serum to kind of let that soak into my skin. I love when I hydrate my under eyes a little bit extra since I'm always busy with touching my eyes. So I'm using this product from Mudmasky. It's actually a serum infused eye mask, but I will put the name in the description bar in case you're interested in purchasing. So the palette I'm going to use is by Laura Lee Los Angeles, and she has a collaboration with her niece, and it's the Candy Skies eyeshadow palette. Such a beautiful kind of girly eye look. I think it's so cute. It kind of gives me summer and spring vibes, and I love that Laura Lee did a collaboration with her niece. So I wanted to use this palette. I went in with that white color first, applied a little bit underneath the brow, and then I went in with the color Mint Chip, which is a minty color. I'm just gonna start blending this all the way in my crease, going from the inner corner to the outer corner, and just continue to blend until I'm satisfied with how everything is looking. The color payoff was really nice, and also the eyeshadow blended out really nicely. So far I really like the palette. The white underneath the brow didn't give me a lot of color payoff, but I actually used a concealer brush, which might have something to do with that. I probably should have used a different brush, but I don't mind. I like more of a soft under brow highlight anyway, so I don't know. I will definitely use this palette again and see if the white works better with a different brush, but I totally think it was my fault. So now I'm going in with the color Sky Blue, and I decided to blend a little bit of that in the outer portion of the eyelid to kind of create a ombre going from mint to blue. I could have kept the whole crease that minty shade, but I just wanted to switch it up and do something different and kind of just play with the colors. Again, the eyeshadow is blended out really easily and super beautiful. Then I went in with the color Sunset and using this all over the eyelid. I wasn't really sure what shade I wanted to use all over the eyelid. I know this is like a totally different shade from what I used in my crease. I've also could have gone for like a minty shade, which goes more together with the crease shades, but I felt like let me just do something different. I just wanted to be a little bit more creative and kind of think outside the box and go for shades together that I would normally not go for. Sometimes this can give really beautiful combinations, so maybe you're watching and you're like, I probably would have gone for a different shade. I totally get that, but I do really like the end result, and I do think the shades blend really nicely together. But my vision for today's eye look is just kind of playing around with the shades and see how everything will look together. So I went in with this orangey shade underneath the lower lash line because I know whenever I use kind of warm tones underneath the lower lash line, it really makes my eye color pop out. And then I blended it out with a light orangey shade. And I just continued to blend it until I think it looked really nice. I noticed that I had a little bit of that orange shade in my inner corner. I just removed it with a cotton pad. I think I just applied a little bit too much when I used that flat brush. So now I'm just going to continue to blend, and then I went back in with the color Marshmallow and apply a little bit of that in the inner corner area. So now I actually did use a different brush. It still not gave me a lot of color payoff, but the more I went in with this shade, the more pigmentation it gave. Pop of lightness in the inner corner. I think it looks really beautiful. Then I went in with this pencil from Colourpop, which is in a really soft peachy color, which I thought would look really nice with all the soft pastel shades that I used for this eye look. Then I went in with a lash curler, and I always use a lash curler before applying mascara because it really lifts the lashes. And I'm also not going in with any fake lashes today, so I really wanted to focus on making my lashes look as long as possible. I'm also not going in with any fake lashes today, so I'm really focusing on trying to make my lashes as long as possible. My favorite is still the Maybelline Sky High Mascara. It's such an amazing drugstore mascara, but I'm really liking this one as well, especially for my lower lashes. It makes them super long. So yeah, this is the final result. I really hope you like how it turned out, even though I used some different shades together, so it might not be like your typical everyday makeup look, but still I think it's soft enough to wear for daytime. But yeah, I really hope you all enjoyed. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you did enjoy. It's really helpful for my YouTube channel. I really appreciate it. And yeah, of course, I hope to see you guys in my next video. Thanks for watching, and hopefully until next time, bye bye.